How many? Make it.
7 aggregates. I did 1 in SST, I did 2 in English, I did 2 in science, and I did 2 in math.
7 aggregates with a D2 in SST, D2 math, D2 science, and D1 English.
Kuba doctor. Advice yanje nkubasa kubana ba fellow pupils banje no kushoma ibitabo munonga oka trusting omuri Mukama.
8 8 8 8 8 8 9 9 9 9 9
And I'm glad I made it, and I want to advise all other members who are going to P7 that you should work hard and also be higher than me because I tried my best.
I got 9 and I'm very happy I made it. There were some challenges, but I made it.
Bazarhanga abamaxes nakora mushanju nyebaza bazire banje bona abambasisi. Future nanyenda kuba doctor. Nazina na yesiga mathanko ziri mushanju English nyinemwe, SST nyinemwe, math nyinibiri. English nyinemwe, math nyinibiri, SST nyinibiri, science nyinibiri.
Kandi nkishomero rya government nindeba ngo tugereze umunonga twakorekera kubasika kandi twarenga abana bitu bahinguraje munonga abana bibiri mukaga ndo tuye mu second first grade kandi nkaga na mushanju bije mu second grade
akatunga max 5 zihayo ezimbe ntakuteka teka kungambe
zarabire covid era nyanka twabe tujya higura umunonga
nyabaza bazira banje babe mashashura school fees ombwire nashuye nkuru banje abe nanshabira takizira ishomero nyabaza nabatyawe mbasho message.
Thank God for passing my PLE because with God everything is possible. I thank my parents for paying my school fees in time. I thank my teachers who have been teaching me. God who has enabled me to finish my P7 with good results.
I know it has been our combined effort.
We have made it.
Sima Mukama munonga hawizoberi kurenga yarikiriza abo kuba twiyentorshabira tushabara hanga
atumye gishaha isi ya Mukama wa mpezi 5 kandi hatumbuye bwo misho yakwija kuba engineer. Ni nsima bazire banje kumpera school fees bakangurire bitabo bakangurira ubucumu nkakore bizambyanye nkabikaje nimba sima munonga.
I got 7 in because I worked hard. I worked hard.
7
I scored 6 aggregates in PLE. I'm very, very happy. Though I expected something like 7, 8, but God really helped me with a 6.
The aggregate kumnemwe umbantu abanyambere kukora ezo aggregate abamwe mu teachers banje